hiking. May tikling dad ba? Dito kami sa park. Nag-hiking.
Wow, Dubai Public Park.
Let's go eat the bread.
Let's go.
Slowly lang. Just walk. Go na.
No, I'm too scared.
Hold. Just hold. Yeah. Big girl ka na, di ba? Gi, kaya mo yan. Kuya, go there.
I did it.
Yay. You did it. Wow.
I'm too scared down
Don't be scared, see? Kuya is not scared.
Hold
Thank you
on,
for
Dida.
watching,
Just
guys.
hold
So,
here.
dito na po nag-i-end ang aming
alalayan ka ni Mami.
Slight lang po ang pag-video.
Oh, sige,
kasi
sige, go.
Ibang video ko patayo pala. So, ayun. Thank you po. Ito po yung aming nature trip for my birthday. Thank you so much, guys. God bless you all. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye-bye.